Japan. Today we are back on the custom FJ. Just give you a catch up if you're new to the channel. I had this bike for like 4 years in the UK, customised it from standard, and then I sold it because I was moving to Japan. I missed it so much I ended up buying it back off the guy I sold it to and then exporting it out of the UK, so I have it again here with me in Japan. So I'm just going over it, changing all the bits I can change easily, getting it ready for its like road test. It's called shaken, it's like the equivalent of the MOT, but it's every 2 years in Japan. Anyway, so I've got to do a few jobs to get it ready for that. So if I remember rightly, there are three points. Just got to take this box off, and I think the air filter just sits in there. Previous owner does something weird here, so I've got to take this off perhaps to get this out because it's sticking in there. Anyway, let's just start taking bits off, see what happens. Right, it's only 5 degrees at the moment, so my fingers feel all like slow and like I'm fumbling with the tools and stuff. 1. The third one, I think that's it. This cover comes off and then it exposes the air filter. It's usually a quick and easy thing to fix. I know a lot of people like these pods, like K&N air filters and stuff on cars and that. I don't like them, because people boast that you don't have to change them. That might be true, but you do have to clean them, and no one ever does. So every time I see them in someone's car, they always look filthy. I'd rather have a cheap disposable one and just change it often. I remember when I got this bike in England, like years ago. Oh, come on, I've got to take this off. When I first got this bike, I started trying to drive it fast for the first time, really get the revs up on it. It used to kind of splutter right at the top of the rev range, and I just thought it was something to do with a fueling issue or something. What it turned out was, after I changed the air filter, I completely solved it. So I used to kind of overlook the air filter and not see it as that important, but it actually is really important. So since then, like all my cars, bikes, everything, I just make sure the air filter's in really good condition. It's such a cheap part, it's easy to fit. I don't know why you wouldn't make sure it's really good. Right, this is new to me. I don't know, this is what the previous owner did. I don't know what's going on here. Okay, bit of wood there. Always great to find bits of wood on your bike. Ah, it's quite dirty. Inside of that's dirty. I might clean that out as well. Can't get it out. I can't remember it being this hard. My fingers are so cold. I can't literally hold it tight enough to pull it out. I need some assistance. Still won't come out. There we go. Okay, yeah, that's dirty. That well worth replacing now. I've got so much dust and shit on this. I'm gonna go to my hose pipe and give this a wash and a scrub out before I put the new filter in. Okay, so gave that a quick clean, and then while I had my bucket of soapy water and all my brushes and stuff, I gave all this a scrub as well, as it's easier to reach it all. It's all a bit difficult to get to with the parts on, so scrubbed it all out. New versus old, and looking at it, what makes me a bit nervous is that looks like it's been ground down or filed down or something, and it was difficult to get out, so I can foresee me having to do the same on the new one to get it in. Let's have a go. Nice. It goes in there and it falls down, it's weird. Okay, that was weird. I should have filmed that. I realised there's these like slot things I never knew this before, but there's a piece there and it's missing on this side. And I found this on the floor, so that must have fell out when I was pulling it out. So I wedged that in there, that's holding that side up nice and tight. And then this thing was ground down quite badly, so I pulled it out and turned it around, and now it's wedging it up nice and secure now. So that's done, but that's a bit weird. I'm going to look to replace these for both sides to make those nice and new again. Don't know why, it's like filed down, so it wasn't holding it up tight. Anyway, that is in there nice and tight now. Plastic parts, don't screw them down too tight, just a little bit. Just past what I call surface tight. When it stops rotating, that's surface tight. Just go past it a bit on plastic parts. There you go, solid, nice, done.